guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys just saw, I got the roof completely sanded. I did get some spots of bare metal, which I already went ahead and primered both corners, and I officially got the bumper completely back on. As you guys can see, the car is complete once again. But as I told you guys last time, we are going to be attempting to take these two dents out. One's right here and one is right here. So this is a kit that I went ahead and got. It's the Pittsburgh crossbar dent repair kit. It comes with everything you need. It comes with a heat gun, some glue sticks, the crossbar itself, the adhesive remover, and then the finishing tool. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just put the heat gun with the glue on the spot where you want to bring out, attach your piece to it, let it sit for a minute, and then attempt to take it out. So I'm demonstrating that for you guys, so hopefully you guys like it. But let's get to it, man. Let's clean off the area and let's take this dent out. Alright, so they both have been sitting for around 2 minutes, 3 minutes, around there. They're both pretty solid, so let's try it out. Let's see how it goes. So first we lay this on top, then we start screwing this on, and from here you just keep going till it comes off, and hopefully it brings the dent with it, but I don't know if it did. And same thing with this one. Put it on top, put it over, and just start twisting it right off. Oh, this one feels solid. There we go. Solid. So hopefully it brought the dent out with it. And then this is the adhesion removal liquid or whatever. So usually it comes in a spray bottle. I don't know why this one has a brush on it, but either way it should work. So just put some around there, set it all around. Same over here, set it all around. I'll pour some on there just for safe measures. Same thing over here, there we go. Just let it sit for a bit. And it should come off easy. There you go. Wow. That's actually super impressive. put some more adhesive remover on it. Pour a little bit. That's perfect. That's it. But still, I'm super impressed this one came out. I didn't think it was gonna. And this one is super dirty, bro. I don't feel the dent anymore, so that's good. Damn, this dent is pretty much gone too. That was really anticlimactic. I thought it was gonna take more time. Yeah, guys, that was really super like anticlimactic. I thought it was gonna take like 4 or 5 tries, but honestly, like, it took them out first try, which is super impressive coming from a Pittsburgh Harbor Freight tool. But it really came off. It's amazing how well it came off. Like, I don't even feel them that much anymore. I might have to do it one more time, but for the most part, this is solid. So this is a pretty good tool if you like think about it. If it brought this out with one try, and like, it was pretty deep. It wasn't deep, like nasty deep, but it was, you could notice it. But I'm super impressed. I'm really impressed. The only thing I didn't like was the adhesion release agent that was in a brush mode instead of a spray. But other than that, this worked really great. It was amazing. But yeah, I might just have to go over it one more time, and even then it might even be good. But I'm super impressed. I'm low-key kind of speechless about it, because I didn't think I was gonna do it that well, but it did it, man. It handled it. Oh man, I'm actually super impressed. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I thought this video was gonna take a lot longer, but it really didn't. All I really had to do was just do the roof, put the bumper back on, and sand these little areas right here. But I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't really think you guys want to see that. So yeah, pretty much car is ready for paint. Next up is swapping that motor. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, man. Subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you're thinking about the process so far. Let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, whatever you guys want. But talk to me, guys. Let me know what you guys think. But for the most part, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in the next one.